Hello, people. This is Deepak Mahapatra, and a very good evening to all of you. So, today I'm going to give a quick summary about the thing which I've learned from impact theory driven by Tom Blue. And on that particular session, Joe Dispenza, okay, he was a scientist, okay, neuroscientist. So, he wrote an amazing book, Becoming Supernatural, and he gave an amazing interview like how to unlock the full potential of your brain. So I want to share something with you, all of you. So first thing, do you know your body is the subconscious mind? Okay, it does not know the difference between the experience that's creating in your mind, in your emotion. And the thing is, the emotion that are created inside your brain are creating by the thought you are imaginary thought, like the thing is whether it is happening or not, but still you are keep worrying. Those are the emotions which are keep rolling inside your brain, right? So your brain doesn't know about anything. The thing which you give as an input, it will take it as a proper input and process it as a, it doesn't know whether it is a good thing or a bad thing, right? And the thing is, you know what, the hardest part about change is not making the the same choices again and again, like mean the same choice you have done before some time. Okay, this is the hardest part about change, because we human beings don't want to suffer, right? We are feeling like if I'm in my comfort zone and if I'm getting the results which I want, then it's okay, I'll not try something new. No, if you want to change that particular thing now, then that is the most hardest thing you ever tried in your life. But once you try now, it will get habituated with you, and when it's done, you will be amazed by see the result. And the thing is, another hardest part is also there. We human beings are tightly bound with the emotion. Do you know what is emotion is? So emotion is the chemical consequences of past memories. Okay, so as our senses record information about all those past memories, whether it is be it bad or good, it records everything. Okay, and it also collects the information from environment, clusters of neurons, okay, and then it organizes into the networks. And when they freeze, when the neurons are freezed, it becomes a pattern. In that pattern, the brain makes a chemical that is sent throughout the body. That particular chemical which is bonded at the time means frozen out. So that chemical is going to flow throughout your body. Okay, so that is what the particular chemical is called an emotion. And the brain, as I already said, brain doesn't know about good or bad thing. It only accepts whatever you give as an input. Okay, so think emotions as energy, because your emotions actually are the energy. If you put negative thoughts as an emotion, like your relationship doesn't work, if you keep telling yourself like why my relationship doesn't work, then your mind will be totally depressed. Your emotions are be like negative emotions will be generated, and the emotions, when the negative emotions are generated now, that particular chemicals will be generated throughout your body, and your body will be like he can't do anything. You will be depressed like hell. Emotions are the energy. You have to know when the emotions are flow like a negative thought from through a negative thought, then it will not give you a positive feedback. Your body will be depressed, distracted, you will be moved away from your goals. You can't do anything. So for that you have to boost up, you have to change your mindset, like no, I have to change my emotions. I have to change my belief system. Don't be frustrated whenever you are getting the negative results, whenever you are getting failures, rejection. Just take it as a challenge and make that challenge and process it like a yes. In the second attempt, I will do and I will give my 500%, not 200%. Your 500%. You should have to give your 500%. Okay, so and the thing is na, all the emotions and the energies and the all things are na, you can sense and felt also, because we human beings are so much capable, where each neurons are so alert every time. Whenever you think something na, then automatically that will grab that particular thing, be it positive or be it negative. But the negative thoughts will be attracted first, because your neurons are attracted by the negative thoughts very fastly as compared to positive thoughts, right? And the thing is, when you think in a different manner, not an ordinary manner, means not a daily manner. Whenever you're thinking like, why I'm like this, don't think about that. Just think like, yes, I am like that person, I am like this, I should proud on myself. You are unique. I am the unique person. I'm the king of my kingdom. Okay, so just think about that in that manner. Just don't think about in the negative phases. Just be in the positive mindset. It is not that hard, but we human beings are so emotionally attached with the negative thoughts that we can't resist ourselves to move away from negative thoughts, right? And those negative thoughts will automatically generated when you are in stress, disappointment, failure, rejection. Then after that your anger will generated, and when the anger strike your mind now, your mind can't do anything. It doesn't differentiate what are you doing. You don't know. When you are anger now, you can speak anything. You can't utter good words at that time. Yes, it happens. Everyone suffers from that problem, but still we human beings don't change our mindset. Why? Is that much easy? That much hard? Sorry. No. You just have to change your belief system. Let it will take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. But after that, it will change, right? We can't suffer like this every time. We are the human beings who can make any wonder possible. Emotions are just the chemicals, and that too up to depends upon our mindset and the things which are sending in, as an input to our brain, right? So it's all upon our hand, and we can change our mindset by changing our thinking process, thought process. Okay, don't be like that person. If the outer side is not good, then why should I be a good person? Why should I treat myself as why should I treat others as good? No, you are a good person, na? Then just be like you. Just look at the mirror. Who is that? Who the hell is he? Is he the person who can change your life? Then just believe on that person. Why are you thinking about other people? Don't think about those people. You are the perfect man. You are the perfect woman who can change their life. Right? Just believe those words. They are not the simple words. Even though I too believe on myself that these are the hands who can change my life by doing hard work. This is the mind which will do smart work for myself. Govern your mind, govern your brain. Yes. So I hope this video will help you to grow up in your life. And if you have time, just read the book Becoming Supernatural, written by Joy Dispenza. You will be amazed by reading that book. Okay, so I hope you all like this video and have a good night. Have a nice day actually. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye.